Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we will try to solve some questions of assignment 9.1. Okay, so look at here question number first. Considering the sequence 6, 11, 16, 21, 26 dot dash dash dash, its nth term is. When we considering the sequence, given sequence, we see here first term is 6, second term is 11. So difference between first term and second term is 5. Okay, that means when we add 5 in first term, we get second term, and again we add 5 in second term, we get third term 16. Okay, that's why we can say its nth term is 5n plus 1, where n is any variable, n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dot dot dot. Means when we take the value of n is equal to 1, then we get 5 1 ja 5 plus 1 6. When we take n is equal to 2, we get 5 2 ja 10 plus 1 11. When we take n is equal to 3, then 5 3 ja 15 plus 1 16, etc. So this will be the correct option. Okay. Second number, the pattern to form U through matchsticks. Matchsticks, when we have to draw U, then we take how many matchsticks? I think 3. First, second and third. Okay, how many matchsticks? 3 matchsticks. Okay, so the pattern will be 3x. 3 is variable, constant, and x is variable. That means number of matchsticks, 3x. Okay. Now see the question number 2. Look at the following pattern. Here you have given a pattern 1 4 2 7 3 10 4 13 21 dash 90 dash. Okay, we have to complete it. So guys, I have solved here. Please see properly. When we considering the above table, the rule is 3n plus 1. How? Because when we take n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, and we apply the rule 3n plus 1, we get 4. How? See here. When we take n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, then second number 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1, this is the formula. 3n plus 1. 3 multiply 1 plus 1. Number of value of n is equal to 1. Then we get 4. For second table, second box, when we take n is equal to 2, n is equal to 2, then 3n plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1, we get 6 plus 1, 7. Again, when we take n is equal to 3, then we get 3n plus 1 is equal to 10. When we take n is equal to 21, n is equal to 21, then 3n plus 1 is equal to 3 into 21 plus 1. 21 3 is 63 plus 1, 64. So there will be 64. Again, when we take n is equal to 90, then we get 3n plus 1, 3n plus 1, 3n means 3 into 90, 270, 270 plus 1, 271. There will be 271. Okay. When we take n is equal to 1 by 3, n is equal to 1 by 3, then 3n plus 1 is equal to 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1, 3 cancel. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So there will be 2. When we take the value of n is equal to 0, we get 3n plus 1 is equal to 3n plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay. And nth term will be 3n plus 1. Nth term 3n plus 1. Okay. Now see the question number 3. Here also we have to complete the following table using the formula n is equal to 7m minus 3. Here m is equal to 1, 2, 10, 100 and 250. Then we have to find the value of n. So look at here. Given formula is n is equal to 7m minus 3. So when we put m equal to 1, m equal to 1, the value of m equal to 1, then n equal to 7m minus 3. 7m minus 3. That means 7 multiply 1 minus 3, we get 4. So there will be 4. Okay. Next, when we take m equal to 2, m equal to 2, then 7m minus n equal to 7m minus 3, we get 7 multiply 2 minus 3, we get 11. 7 2 is 14, 14 minus 3, 11. So there will be 11. Okay. Again, when we put m equal to 10, m equal to 10, then value of n equal to 7m minus 3, that means 7 multiply 10 minus 3, 70 minus 3, we get 67. So there will be 67. Okay. And you can find the next term. Next, you have to put the value of m equal to 100. Okay. Now, question number 4. For each sequence, this is your in sequence. So, find general rule, nth term and 100th term. Okay. So look at here. Consider the above sequence 5, 10, 15, 20 ... Here first term 5 is equal to 5 into 1. Second term 10 is equal to 5 multiply 2. 5 2 is 10. third term 15 is equal to 5 3 is 5 into 3, and fourth term 20 is equal to 5 4 is 20. Okay, so we see here this sequence is given in multiples of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20, etc. So general rule is multiples of 5. General rule is multiples of 5. Nth term is equal to 5n. 5n means 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3. That means nth term will be 5n, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay, and 100th term will be 5 into 100. 5 into 100 we get 500. So 100th term of this sequence will be 500. Okay, so guys, you can solve question number B and C similarly. Okay, now question number D. We will see question number D. Here sequence is 1 5 9 13. We see here 1 plus 4 we get 5, 5 plus 4 we get 9, 9 plus 4 we get 13, 13 plus 4 we get 17, etc. So here the general rule for the given sequence is add 4. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, whatever. So general rule for this sequence will be add 4. Okay, and nth term means 4n minus 3. How? When we put the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot dot dot, we get the first term 1. Look at here, when we put n is equal to 1, therefore 4n minus 3 is equal to 4 into 1. When we take n is equal to 1, therefore nth term will be 4n minus 3. That means 4 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 4 1 is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we get first term 1. Secondly, when n is equal to 2, therefore 4n minus 3 is equal to 4 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 4 2 is 8, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Then we get 5. So guys, the nth term of given sequence will be 4n minus 3, and 100th term will be 4 into 100 minus 3. We get 400 minus 3 means 397. Clear? So